This is desiccated coconut and it can be used for varieties of things. These desiccated coconut flakes can be used for your smoothies, for your fruit juice, parfait, for your coconut flavored cakes, and in fact for your banana bread. And when it comes to health and wellness lovers, they prefer using coconut flakes for their detox drinks, their herbal tea, because of the functions of these coconut flakes and because of the many uses of coconut. Coconut flakes are in high demand for personal use, for gifting, for events, for businesses, for beautification, for your skin, for cooking, in fact, just name it. This is why making coconut and selling coconut flakes is a simple business you can start and make money from it, even with a small capital. So this is a matured coconut, and this is the type of coconut that we usually use to make our coconut flakes and desiccated coconut. To know a matured coconut, the shell is usually hard, which makes it very strong and very hard to break. To break the coconut, I use a hammer. I gently hit the coconut all round, then turn it slowly as I hit. Do not hit it at one place. Do not hit one place too hard. So as you're hitting it, you'll be turning it round. Continue to do this until the water comes out. And when the coconut opens, I pour out the coconut water. I sieve out the water to remove the dirt, then pour it into a neat airtight container to store in my fridge. Guys, do you know why I'm storing this in my fridge? So it's either I use it for my personal use or I sell it or use it to do so many. In fact, coconut water is very good to the body. So selling of coconut water can as well generate new source of income for you. You can make extra cool cash from it. So from one coconut, nothing is going to waste. Besties, if you know you like informative videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this to your family or your friends who know will want to see this kind of video. And once you subscribe to my channel, it will help YouTube to recommend my videos to you because I post amazing and excellent videos always. And besties, don't forget to turn on the notification bell and always know that subscription is free, so don't forget to subscribe now. When plucking out the flesh from the coconut, you have to be careful with your hand so as not to use the knife to hurt yourself. And I know you won't like to be in such situation, right? So you have to be gentle with whatever you're doing. Repeat this process to all the coconut until you're done breaking all the coconut. And remember to store your coconut water because coconut water is often suggested to people with some certain health conditions. And do you know why? Because it is a natural drink, it is light and easy for the body to absorb. If you are tired and weak, they suggest coconut water for you. This is because it contains natural electrolytes like potassium, which helps the body to regain energy. And even if you're always dehydrated and always sweating, the doctors will recommend coconut water for you because it replaces some fluid and minerals in the body. And do you know, if you're having digestive discomfort, like you're always having stomach upset, you might find coconut water helpful because it is gentle on the stomach and it is often recommended to people managing their body temperature. Now you see why coconut flakes, coconut water, and every part of coconut is highly valued and highly needed worldwide because of its health benefits. So why don't you just venture into this coconut flakes business, coconut water, and every other part of coconut business? Besties, if you know you're enjoying this our business stuff, why don't you just subscribe, turn on your notification bell to be getting an alert whether I post new video, and don't forget to comment, like, and share this video to your friends. Love this kind of videos. At this point, all my coconuts have been plucked out and washed for us to start up with the next step. And looking at this grater, you will see there are 4 designs of it. So I won't be using this part. No, I won't be using this part. I won't be using this part because if I use this part, it will be giving me another shape. Now let's take a look to see what this shape will be giving us. So this is the shape it will be giving us when you use this part of the grater. This is fine too, but this is actually not what we want for our coconut flakes. So depending on the shape or how you want to do yours will make you decide on the part you want to use. But I usually go with this. This is my favorite part because With this shape, you can use it for varieties of things. You can use it as desiccated coconut, you can use it as coconut flake, for your parfait, for your banana bread, anything you want to use it. But using the bigger part might limit you to whatever you want to use it to achieve or design. So apart from using this exact grater, you can use this kitchen tool for your coconut flake. Bring out, wash it, and then go ahead to use this exact part to grate or to make your coconut flakes. So after shredding it, this was what we got. These beautiful goodies. At this point, it is still wet, but we are going to go ahead to dry it. At this point, this is an unsweetened desiccated coconut, and I love it so much because I can use this to create so many goodies. I can use this for my parfait, my banana bread, for anything I know I can imagine. Let me know under the comment section if you want me to show you how to make these sweetened coconut flakes, and for sure I will do that for you. But right here we are spreading out our coconut for us to proceed to dry it at the oven. Besties, I'm going to make a special video for you to show you how you can use these coconut flakes to make your granola. Now our coconut flakes is out from the oven. Right here is looking crunchy, sweet, and the fact you can munch it like this. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use this to make granola. And I know you love this educative video, so don't forget to subscribe. Oh, subscription is free. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.